How to use Proton Mail's Snooze feature like a pro. Let's get started. Is your inbox a to-do list? Use Proton's Mail Snooze feature to clear the clutter and make emails reappear exactly when you need to deal with them. Here's how to use like a pro. See an email you can't handle right now? Well, this is how you do it. So look at the email, press down on it. I'm using the app to see if it's possible. Look at the options at the bottom. You can see there's no option for Snooze. That is because you can only do it using the app version. Sorry, the web version, the browser. So let's go there. Let's say I want to snooze this particular message. So you have to open it up first, and then at the top you see some options. Tap on the three dots at the top and you can see snooze message. Tap on it, then you tell it when the message should reappear in your inbox. You can select its date and time if you're using a paid version, and if it's just for tomorrow, tap on tomorrow and it is snoozed and to disappear. This message is back up the photos on your phone. So let's go back and see if the message appears. You can see it's no longer there. Back up the photos on your phone, it's no longer there. So by tomorrow at the time I set, it will appear. So for true pro level control, hit custom time. That is where you set the time, but I told you have to be a pro user. This lets you specify the exact date and time for it to return. You can snooze a meeting agenda to reappear 30 minutes before the call. You can schedule a reminder to pay a bill on its due date. You are in complete control. So you can also batch tasks, snooze all non-urgent emails to review at a dedicated time, maybe Friday afternoon. Then you can also match your workflow, make emails appear when you have the context and time to act on them. So transform your inbox from a source of interruption into a powerful personalized reminder system. Use the snooze like a pro. Hope you found this video helpful.